Hola YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Beauty by Lenoria across all my social media platforms. If you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video, and of course, go ahead and get a conversation started with me in the comment section below. But as you guys already guessed, this is just going to be a quick haul and just us quickly just going over Sadditty Wink lashes. Telling you guys my thoughts, what I think about them. You know, getting the multiple pack. You know, you can go ahead and customize. When you get Mink lashes in multiple packs like this, you can go ahead and customize the actual lashes according to your actual look without you being like, dang, I'm destroying a $30 pair of lashes. There's some ways around that, and I'm going to show you just a little bit of what I do in this video. But if you're ready to go ahead and see this quick review of Sadditty Wink lashes, and along with me actually customizing a pair of their lashes, then you guys already know. Let's keep watching.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really do one.
Okay guys, so I did go ahead and do an order with Sadditty Wink lashes. I went ahead and got their little lash kit that they actually have. Wanted to go ahead and try out their lashes just to try to see how it actually works and look with an actual look. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Trying to figure out which one of these. Oh, the names are underneath them, what they are. That's pretty cool. So for me to just go ahead and go in here, I'm kind of looking at the lashes just to kind of see which ones would work with this eye look without overpowering the eye look. And that completely covers up and overpowers the eye look. So I would not use that one, even though that lash is freaking pretty. So I wouldn't use that one. And just so you guys know, with Sadditty Wink, that is actually going to be, so it's 3 different types in here. SD-A11 is out here. The SD-A14 is right in here and right here. And the ones right here in the middle is the SD-A15. I need these ones out here that's a little bit more spicy. Let's see if this would actually work with it. That's too heavy on my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the SD-A11s, even though they look different from the other ones I just tried on. These were the first ones I went ahead and picked up, but these over here are the ones I'm gonna go ahead and use. You see how these look versus these over here? But they're both listed as SD-A11s. It's weird. But that's what I'm going to go ahead and use. And I prefer fake lashes that are long. And when I say long, I'm talking about a long band like this. Because of my weird eye shape, I'm able to go in here and cut it down to exactly where I need it to be on my lash without it dragging my actual eye down. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and cut off those end tails. So pulling you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and cut off these end tails. Right here. And right here. And I'll cut down a little bit of this right here so it's not irritating the inside of my actual eye. And getting all of the little loose hairs out so it don't fall into my eye and cause my eyes to water. Now I'll go ahead and put this on and see if I need to cut or do anything else with it. And these are coming across a tad bit too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them down. I'm leaving the outside part long, but I just cut the inner parts down a little bit. So that way I get a truly pretty lash that doesn't overpower my look. And right here in the front, this right here is still a little too long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it. Just a little bit more. Now, that looks so much better. Let me turn y'all up a little bit so y'all can see it a little bit better. That looks so much better with that actual eye. So you guys can actually see. That one looks so much better with that actual eye. So, now I got that one done correctly. So this one is correctly. Make sure I don't have any shed or loose hair in this that would actually irritate my actual eye. And go ahead and put the glue on it. So the glue can go ahead and start to dry down. Guys, this is the House of Lashes lash glue. I only use 2 different types of lash glue because they're the only ones that I like that work. They do not lift. Struggling with getting eyelash glue off, I'll do that all day, every day. I much rather struggle getting my eyelash glue off when I'm ready to take my lashes off at the end of the night than to be in the middle of my day and one of my lashes just started popping and lifting. So I just need to go back in here and work on this one as well. It's pretty. I mean, they're absolutely pretty. And because I have so many of the same style, I can go in there and customize them for different looks and stuff. So it's pretty. We're just going to go in and customize it to where it's not coming across a little too long for me. And I'm just cutting the end tails off. Same thing. Going back in here, put it on. Looking at it, realizing, okay, that's way too long and scary, and it's covering up my eye look. So, from right here on over, go ahead and cut that down. And I already know these are too long. So as I'm going in here, because my different eyes are different shapes, and my eyes just be doing the weirdest stuff. So when I have to go in and customize stuff, I have to go in bit by bit, piece by piece, and just look at it and see how it's coming along. And that'll work. It's just these out here are still a little too long. They start to look a little weird when they turn out. When they start to curl in that long, for an eye look that I want to show off, it starts to look a little weird. And that'll start to look better on my actual eyes when I go in to actually finish up the eye look. So I like that. Let's go ahead and drop some glue on this one real quick. And when it comes to customizing Mink eyelashes, when they come in multiple packs like that, it's so easy for me to grab and go if I'm not doing a real big eye look. Or if I'm doing a real big eye look, I can just go into a multiple pack like this and customize it for my actual eye look. Otherwise, most people would not go in there and just butcher and cut up Mink eyelashes the way I just did. But now I'll go ahead and go in here. And let's go ahead and drop this bad boy on. And it's making my eye water. So that's Sadditty Wink, that one. Again, guys, you get a whole tray full, so you can take and cut them up and customize them however you want to. I like that option about them. And taking and dropping these. So there we are with the actual lashes. And it's like, did I cut too much off of this one? I'm gonna turn you guys up. See, I can go ahead and take this little part off. You can see how this one over here is a little bit fluffier than that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this back on, and I'll come back and show you the final look. Okay, so this is the final look we decided to actually do and come up with. I absolutely love the way the eyes actually came together. No problems or issues or anything with the actual eyes. So this way you guys get to actually see up close exactly what it looks like. Tell me what you actually think in reference to the actual final look. Okay guys, so you've had a chance to see what I did with the actual lashes, how I went ahead and customized the lashes from Sadditty Wink. I actually really do like these lashes. As I'm looking at it in the actual mirror, the one thing that I know that I really do like about the lashes is they're not coming across with any type of weird shine to them, because you guys know the first thing as far as clockable when it comes to fake eyelashes, outside of, you know, them being 55 million miles long, shiny. I don't do any type of shiny eyelashes. Like, my lashes are always going to be matte, 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 matte. So I definitely appreciate that these are actually matte. And I definitely like the way they actually curled to my actual eye, and they're not heavy. And although the band is thick, the band isn't cumbersome, if that makes sense. It kind of tapers off to a thinner point, so when you actually put it on your eyelid, it sits comfortably in between the base of your eyelid and your actual eyelashes itself. So I actually love that. Now, when it comes to Sadditty Wink, love them. I wouldn't change or do anything different with my order. This would be all that I would actually need from them, because this is more than enough for me to go ahead and do what I want to do. If I'm doing a more simple look, then I could chuck on some of the bigger pair of lashes and just whoop, throw on like a simple like brows, one little color on the eyelid, a nice little lip, and, you know, something really light around the face. Throw in a pair of lashes, and it looks like you put in a whole lot more work than what you may have actually done. So I definitely like it, but that's the end of it. YouTube, you guys already know how I feel. I'm happy when you come and choose to spend some time with me. I don't care if you're watching me in the morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night. I'm just happy you chose to come spend some time with your girl. And as always, thank you, YouTube. Until next time, you guys be safe. Bye.